everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. Today is day 2 of learning how to sign Good Grace by Hillsong United. So yesterday was a doozy. We went through the whole song, step by step, learning the signs that we needed. Today, we are going to walk through this song from top to bottom at just a bit of a slower pace than what it would be for the music tomorrow. Okay, so let's get started. Remember, of course, that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video, there is a link to print out the lyrics to the radio version of the song. Actually, tomorrow we're going to sign along with the live version, which is just a little longer. It has a little more repeating, but all the same words. Okay, and then last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so people come together. Strange as neighbors, our blood is one. Children, generations of every nation of kingdom come. Moving on. Don't let your heart be troubled. Hold your head up high. Don't fear no evil. Fix your eyes on this one truth. God is madly in love with you. So take courage, hold on, be strong. Remember where our help comes from. And then you got some O's in there. Okay, you can sign those. And then it's Jesus, our redemption, our Savior, or salvation, sorry, just like that. Our salvation is in His blood. Jesus, light of heaven, friend forever, His kingdom come. And then that bridge, swing wide, all you heavens, let the praise go up as the walls come down. Okay? All creation, everything with breath, repeat the sound. All His children, it might be too fast to sign all of that tomorrow, clean hands, pure hearts, good grace, good God. His name is Jesus. So just depending on which version you choose to sign will depend whether or not there's some repeating or not, but this should give you everything you need. So practice this as many times as you need to, and when you're feeling really comfortable with the walkthrough, I'll see you in the next video when we sign with the music. Bye. Romans 6:13 says, "Give yourself completely to God, for you were dead, but now you have new life. So use your whole body, including your hands, as an instrument to do what is right for the glory of God."